guys, DlipizProj1VideoReview here. This is my Project 1 video review. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the application. So here's the application. We have the master list on the left and the master detail on the right. When you click on an article on the left, it shows it on the right hand side. It shows the title, the author, and the amount of upvotes. So let's go ahead and look at the code. So here in the main activity, we start with the check connection. The check connection then runs the check connection helper, which I'll show you in a second. Check connection helper, essentially what it does is it checks to see if you're online. If you're not online, then it shows an alert saying you're not online, and it returns the boolean false. If you are online, then it returns the boolean true, which is stored here in the connected. If you're not connected, we will populate the list off of the serializable helper, which I will show you in a second. If the serializable has nothing in it, which is essentially if you have the application offline both times you started it, it would say no articles. Then we show the list fragment, and we show the detail, which has placeholders of non-applicable. Then we will move on to the serializable helper, and here it takes in the array list of articles from Reddit that we do in the Reddit API task that we have, the async task. So essentially it just sends that, writes it, stores it. So now we'll go into the Reddit API task. It's an async task. Pulls in the Android subreddit API for the title, author, and upvotes for every article. Then it stores it into the serializable. Then, as I said before, is it shown in the master show list? Pass in the articles, populate the list. Then in the detail fragment, when a list item is clicked using the built-in method for list fragments, it shows there's a detail fragment, passes in the article, which is right here, position, the tap position, which is this position right here, which is included. And then we go in here and it populates text field 1, text field 2, text field 3 based on the layout. And then you get what you see here, which is when you click on one, it populates it on the other side. Thank you very much.